Hey guys, what is up? It is Eric here and welcome back to another video. I've had my setup requested by many of you, so in this video I'll be giving it away for free. And if you guys like free stuff, be sure to hit the like button to support the video and subscribe if you have not already. So in order for you to get this set up on your ThinkOrSwim platform, I'm actually going to be giving you a share link, so don't concern yourself with that. But there is something that is very important that you guys need to be doing. So what I want you to do is open up your ThinkOrSwim, and we're going to go up here to the top right and we're going to click on Setup. Then you're going to click on Application Settings and go to System. If you haven't already, the quote speed is going to be set on moderate by default. And you can see that that has a max delay of 3 seconds, which we do not want when we are day trading. We want to instead select real-time no delay so that we are getting the fastest quotes possible and we have the most up-to-date information that we can on ThinkOrSwim. And the other thing you might want to consider is switching over to this active trader tab, and you can see that there's the active trader submission rate limit, and you might want to change that down to 0. And I actually keep it on 500, but what this essentially does is at 0 you can click buy and sell in rapid succession without there being any limit on how fast in between clicks you can do. I like to have a slight delay so I don't accidentally click it twice in really quick succession and then get filled for both of them. But I know for some people it would actually be helpful to be able to click twice really quickly, so that's something you're going to have to make at your own discretion. And the other thing is the price ladder updates. I have mine set to every 3 seconds. I like my price ladder to be following the price of the stock very quickly, but some people like to manually do it. So if that is you, then you would want to select a higher interval for it to realign so that you can manage it yourself. But I'm going to leave my settings like this, and it is up to you to decide how you would want to set that up. One other change that you should consider making before I give you the share link and show you how to use it is actually closing your ThinkOrSwim and going to the login screen. Then you're going to click on this gear, and you can see that there is memory usage here. And there's a lower and upper limit. It's fine to just leave the lower limit at what it's set at by default, but you might want to consider upping the upper limit, because you want ThinkOrSwim to have enough memory to be able to do everything it needs to do. I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm giving it this much, but you know, if you have 32 gigabytes of RAM, you can consider moving it even higher. So after you've made these changes, you're ready to import my setup into your ThinkOrSwim. So what you want to do is scroll down to the description of this video, and the very first link will be the setup share link. So you're going to copy that share link, take it over to your ThinkOrSwim browser, which this is what it looks like by default, and you'll go to Setup, Open Shared Item, you'll paste it, Preview, Open, and now you have my setup saved on your ThinkOrSwim. Then you'll go back to Setup and click on From Eric Green YouTube. And there you go, you now have my setup, and you can make any changes you want to it. But this is how I have mine currently set up. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoy the setup, and if you plan to use it, be sure to hit that like button. One important update before I end the video: if you've been following the channel for a while, you know I completed a $2,000 to $6,000 paper trading challenge within 2 months. I'm happy to inform you I am now trading in a live account funded above PDT, so I'll plan on posting some live trades in the near future. With that being said, I hope you all have a great trading week, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.